Welcome to Bayretail's feature video, where we showcase our latest developments, products, and services. Today, we're excited to introduce you to one of our most powerful product features, Clients Insights. With the help of artificial intelligence and hyper-segmentation algorithm, it analyzes your customer data to provide valuable insights into their preferences, behaviors, and needs. Clients Insights is a comprehensive data analysis tool that provides you with deep insights into your customer base. With Clients Insights, you can uncover patterns and trends in customer behavior, preferences, and more, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and improve your overall customer experience. Client Insights can take the shopping experience to new heights. For instance, when a customer visits a high-end fashion retail store, the store associate can pull up their purchase history and recommend new items based on their preferences. The associate can also use a mobile app to assist with sizing while the customer browses. When the customer makes a purchase, they might receive a follow-up email with a personalized promotion on a matching accessory. A tailored experience like this has the potential to strengthen the bond between the consumer and the seller, ultimately resulting in higher customer loyalty and increased retention. Those are our clients who deployed our clienteling service with one-to-one communication capabilities. By leveraging in-depth shopper insights and personalized communication, their store associates are able to provide a highly personalized shopping experience to their customers. This has helped to build stronger relationships with their customers and increase customer loyalty, ultimately driving long-term business success. Thank you for joining us for this feature video. We hope you've learned more about how Clients Insights can help you make data-driven decisions and improve your customer experience. Book a demo for you and for your team, or find out more features on our website at bayretail.io. We are looking forward to hear from you.